What's up, guys? Welcome to the mukbang channel here. Reviewing some food. I don't know what's going on, but we're doing a meetup game, I guess video, behind the scenes stuff. And we're just getting here. This place has never been as packed as I've ever seen it. Every single table is running. There's like 23 tables, 40 people on the 1-2, 50 people on the 1-3, 30 people on the 2-5, and 20 people on the 5-10. Don't think that's pretty normal here, which is awesome. Shout out to JohnnieVibes, who will get in this video as well. A little behind the scenes action. Hopefully you enjoy it. Smash this like button because, I don't know, it's always good to help the channel grow and appreciate all the support. So it should be a good time, and hopefully we run well in the poker vlog, but here's the behind the scene action. Let's get into it. So I'm joined by man, the myth, the legend, the reason why everyone's here right now. What's going on?
That's not true, man. You have a huge following here.
You've got a more loyal following that's here.
No, I'm telling you, everybody knows who you are. I've seen you taking pictures with everyone.
Well, you know what? We're both crushing it. Absolutely blow up the entire place right now. That's what it seems like.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's massive in here, and there's pool tables, bars, like spilling everywhere. Every table's in use.
You give Bossability a good thumbs up?
This place is awesome. I would come here and like play pool. I mean, if you're tilted and you bust out, you can come over here and drink. You know, it's like
exactly. If you can lose money in poker tables, and you have other things to do.
No, I would definitely come here, but I don't know. Being in Nashville, I don't think there's much more around, honestly.
No, there's here, and you have everything you need here. You can bet on sports if you want to do a full DGen and have a good time with that. So
I didn't even know you could bet sports.
You can. You are able to do so.
This place is dangerous.
It is very dangerous. You have too many. It's pretty much like mini Vegas in the Northeast, pretty much. How's the session going so far?
Not good. I started playing small, and then I just didn't really want to fold.
Folding is
your shirt.
Taking too many tips.
Every time I see you playing here, you're like not folding and you're winning. So I'm like, I'm gonna try doing that. It's not working for me, though.
Damn it.
So we're down like, I don't know, $600 in the 1-3, but I just went to 2-5.
Yeah, so. Easy. And there's 2 5-10s running. So we'll see how this goes.
There's even bigger than that. So I'm not really worried about it.
All right, we'll run it up. Find a way to do so. It's not a meetup game unless you do some shots. Full degeneracy now. Punts incoming, left and right. Okay. There you go. Cheers.
Oh boy.
Mid-session update. You know, a little game plan for the vlog. Carl, always behind the scenes. Always doing good work. Actually editing this one. Fantastic. Thank you. Thanks for editing this one. Moving forward, it'll be me. So it'll be some horrible editing moving forward. But we'll take a stroll. Take a stroll around Boston Billiard. There's a lot of people in the pool room, but pool room is not really what we're going for. But the pit's absolutely packed right now. You know, there's a lot of people. Kaylee, always dealing aces versus kings, of course. And just an absolute shit show of people. Welcome to the behind the scenes. We see a floor dancing right now. Kind of want to get it on the vlog. Can we get you dancing again? Come on, show us the moves. Let's go. TikTok star in action. It's a wild time. Welcome to Boston Billiard, I guess. But got some poker tables out here. Obviously, John. Hello. Oh, what's up? Oh, I'll take this for sure. Thank you. What's your name?
Dennis Steele, the aspiring poker pro.
Let's go. I love it.
Yeah, man.
Is this making some merch? I love it.
Yeah.
You rocking it up? That's awesome. How's your night going so far? Yeah, we're trying to mix it up, but I love it. Yeah, I'll appreciate it. Thanks so much. Oh, those are ugly days. Those are really gross. But thanks so much. Run it up. Nice meeting you. All right. Oh, what's up? So, behind the scenes, walking around. Mike, you want to be on the vlog?
Sure, why not, bro?
Here we go.
What's going on?
Thanks for showing up. How's your night going so far?
Not too bad.
Good time?
Yeah, good time.
I'm glad. You're still in the same seat since the beginning.
Yeah, 8.5 hours.
You're grinding it out. It's a good grind.
Good to see you.
I love it. Nice to see you, man. Thanks for coming up. Who?
Is he the one with the mask? He watches you all the time.
What's his name?
Thomas.
Okay.
Don't put
Thank
him
you.
on your
Thank you
block.
for the info. What's going on? All right, we will. Nice seeing you. All right, let's go say hi to Thomas, because that's just how it goes. Oh, no, first another pit stop. What's up? Yeah, let's go to the personal channel. What's your name?
I'm Robbie.
What's going on? How's your night going?
When kings flop into nines, and then he flops his head on me, but other than that, it's pretty good.
All right, besides that, you're having a good night. So 20%'s happened.
How about
That's
you?
disgusting. Good. We're grinding it out in there. Seeing how it goes. Is this the 1-3?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, sweet. All right. Well, hopefully you run it up. The night's young. You got some time left for sure. Sweet. Nice running into you, man.
Nice running into you too.
Oh. All right, let's go say hello to Thomas. All right. What's up, Tommy?
Hey, man.
Say what's up for the vlog.
Oh, hey.
What's going on?
Nice to meet you, man.
You from around here? Or?
Yeah, Boston.
Oh, sweet. Okay. All right, so little detour. It's fine. Continuing on the Boston Billiard tour. Obviously got the pits, and then we're walking into the main poker room. Yo, Jeff, buddy,
up,
let's
buddy?
go. Jamie, hello. If you like the merch, it's
yeah.
all made by him. Oh, let's go. So you got RampagePokerstore.com if you want to grab them card protectors. And then of course, silver screen design for the merch. Always looking great.
Everybody
Exactly.
subscribe.
Brian,
RampagePoker.
an OG, another from
Subscribe.
Springfield.
Thanks for coming out, everyone.
There's more of the room. There's more 2-5 games. Oh, I mean, how would I not show this on the personal vlog?
Let's go.
What a fit.
Is this the outro?
What a fit.
You want to watch me jam $39 in?
Oh, right now?
Free? Yeah.
Oh.
I'll do it all in blind next hand.
All in blind?
Yeah.
All right. Can we sweat, but you can't see?
Yeah. Let's do
Okay,
that.
done.
Dude, this is so sick.
All right, we'll do it.
First,
We're sweating this out. You can't see.
you can't see it. You guys.
All right, you're on the big lines?
Oh, on the big blind.
All right, let's peel.
I won't look. What's the reaction?
How much is it?
39 total. I got queens versus kings over here, so it's got stacked.
Are you cool with being the video, by the way? Because I know you're in the bathroom.
All in.
Let's go.
Let's go.
39.
Covers you. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Shocking that I did it. Once you start recording, I can't back out anymore.
No. Oh, absolutely not. We're gonna get a good view of the. So we know what he has, and he has no idea.
I mean, folding is boring, right? So why would I fold?
Why would you ever fold two?
I've been folding for the last hour. I've had
There's
jack.
also all in.
Also all in. Ah, shit. This wasn't part of the plan, man. Ah, it could be.
All right,
Oh,
we
dear God.
showing it now or afterwards? Oh my
It's up to you.
god.
Do you want the sweat? Do you want to sweat up? All right.
I'll wait.
I'm gonna hold on to the cards.
I'll wait till the end. Big reveal.
The viewers know what you have.
Am I allowed to see that hand or am I allowed?
Yes. I want to see your reaction.
I approve.
It's a monster. I haven't seen it.
I feel like I got this.
What do you need, by the way?
Chad.
Chad.
That's
Ethan.
the main pot.
We're looking for a card. I actually don't know.
I like this.
I really don't.
I like this.
Sorry, never mind.
Oh.
You can see.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
I would have jammed it anyway.
Exactly. That was a really good card.
Wow.
Really good hand.
What a hand for
Nice hand for
this
ace.
channel.
Hello, Jonathan.
I'm not Jonathan, I'm Johnny.
I like Jonathan Vibrations.
I don't know, it feels weird to me.
Mr. Vibrations, your
My stack is down.
stack has been down. Well,
I've had better days.
tomorrow will be a great day. You know what's also better?
What?
Some drinks.
We should do that.
Sounds like we need to get some shots in.
Let's do that.
All right, let's rally the troops real quick. And we're back at our seat after a nice little tour of Boston Billiard.
That's awesome.
We're doing all right, but time to try to get some drinks soon. Played a lot of poker today. Gotta have some fun. All right, so imagine like how I look right now, and then you see this guy at the poker table. How fucking similar is this? How many times have you been?
I'm Rampage with 3 A's.
How many times have you been asked?
Like 4 or 5.
A lot. So I have to introduce this on the vlog because this is my alter ego. Also likes to splash around, punt a while here and there, right?
I'm a punter.
Yeah, we're good for action. Asians are always good for action. We have the D-Gen in our blood. It's fine. Thank you so much for watching the behind the scenes of the meetup game. Big thank you and shout out to every single person that came to make the event such a huge success. I remember hearing at the end of that night, Boston Billiard ended up running out of red and green chips. That's when you know the cash games and the turnout was a huge success. So thank you so much. Obviously, a huge shout out to Vibes for making the East Coast trip. If you made it to the end of this video, always hit that thumbs up button. It always is much appreciated. And yeah, watch out for a video every single Tuesday on this channel. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.